welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do our birthday slime. So let's get started. So first you need your slime. I got my slime right here with me. And you also need shaving cream. So then you are going to take the shaving cream, put it on the floor, and then I'm going to show you guys. And then to make a ball, like a ball, and then when you're done making a ball, you try to flat it like this. Try to press it a little bit, just a little bit, and then like this. Then it will become like this. Then put it on the floor. Make sure it's really circle and it's flat enough. And then you need your shaving cream. Make sure you shake it first. Okay, now you just need to press it and turn it. And like this. Shaving cream is the main thing. Oh my gosh. Just want to put that down. So you guys see this? I just need to separate it. You guys just need to make it like a thing like this. Look at my hanger. And that one you can just put it like this. Then, you know, just you need more, so take here and then just put it right here. Then, so guys, I'll see you guys later because this is a big mess. So guys, I did it. It's quite messy, but never mind. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks really well. Hi guys, I'm so sorry. So guys, this is how the birthday slime looks. You guys like it? Comment, give this video a thumbs up if you like the birthday slime. And look at my finger, it's so messy. So I'm gonna clean. Bye guys, see you guys next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.